in the previous video, we created the assembly for the knuckle joint in SolidWorks. Now, in the third and final part of this tutorial, we have to create the exploded view over here, as we can see. So you're going to create this exploded view. To do that, click on this exploded view here, and then we have the two types of steps, but we'll go with the regular step because you just move each component individually. There are no twin components to move them in opposite directions, so we go with the regular step. First, you have to move this tipper pin. So click, move it upwards, and done. Next, remove this collar, click on it and move it to the side here by 140. Done. Then move the tipper pin to the side also by 140. Done. And move the knuckle pin to the opposite side here. 140 will also be okay. Done. And then move the eye end here. Done. And move the fork end also in the opposite direction, or you can make it stay where it is. No need to move it. You can choose to add trace lines by coming down here to insert or edit smart exploded trace lines. Okay, so this is the exploded view we have created. So yeah, that is the end of this tutorial. We have successfully created the knuckle joint in SolidWorks. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe and like the video, and also share it to your colleagues so they can also watch it and learn. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Safe.